Okay, talk to your partner, decide if you want to come up here for a prize. Remember, I've still got those cool prizes like the wishbone up here, if you'd like to have a wish. Of course, I am also aware that I am giving you a bone as a prize, which is very weird, but it's also a wish. Has anyone ever used a wishbone before? Do you know how a wishbone works? You and a friend each grab a side, and then you both make a wish, and you pull, and whoever gets the big chunk out of the middle, their wish comes true. Obviously, totally real. All right, hands up if you and your partner want to come up here. How, Lily, you up for it or not? You do have to make a decision. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and you guys are not interested? Okay. 2. Do all 3 of you want to come up, or do 2 of you want to come up? Okay. Addie, you don't want to? All right.
I suck at drawing.
So the y-intercept is
Let me
5.
draw the graph real quick.
So so the y-intercept is 5, so you'd go up 5. And then for 4/7, you'd go up 4, and then 7 spaces to the right.
I didn't give myself enough space.
It's okay if it overlaps the other graph.
Okay. Like that much?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Very nice. Look at you drawing a straight line. Sorry, I cannot draw a straight line for the life of me, and I've been trying to for years, so I'm very jealous about that. Go grab a prize. Nice job, ladies. Can somebody tell me, what if you don't have room to go up and to the right? What else could you do?
Go by 2.
Sure. I mean, you could go up 2 over 3.5, I guess, and do half of it. Or instead, or are you saying your scales?
Oh, I meant scale.
Yeah, your scale you could change. Or instead, which way could I go? Instead of going up and to the right, I could go down and to the left. So if I went opposite, if I went down 4 and to the left 7, I could put a dot over here and still draw my line, and that would work. Does that make sense to everybody? Okay. All right, last one. Come on, we're so close to the weekend. Let's get it done. Example 3. Now, what if instead it said something like this? Graph 12x minus 3y equals 18. Okay, now what's the plan here?
Put it by 3s with the scale.
That's true, you could, but right now, what is the y-intercept? What is the slope? Because it doesn't look like y equals mx plus b, right? It doesn't look like y equals at all. So I think the best course of action here is to make it look like y equals. Does that work? Okay, so let's solve for y. What do we do? Let's move things away from y.
You subtract 12.
All right, I'm going to subtract 12x. Can I combine 18 and 12x? No. All right, so I'm going to write negative 3y equals, and you tell me why I'm doing this. Why do you think I'm writing negative 12x in front of 18 instead of behind it?
Because you, yeah.
Tell me. Right, I want it to look like y equals mx plus b, right? So I'm trying to make it look like that. But I've still got this negative 3 problem over here. What do you think I should do for that? Divide by a negative 3 on all of them. So I get y equals what, positive 4x minus 6, or you could say plus a negative 6, whatever you want to do there. All right, let's try graphing this one, last one. Okay, so here's my x and y. This time I'm going to start at negative 6. Oh, but this is tough though, because even though I'm starting at negative 6, the slope over here, before it's always been fractions.
It's just 4 over 1.
Oh, so it's just 4 over 1. Okay, so we'll make it 4 over 1 so that it is a fraction, and then I'm going to go up 4 to the right 1, up 4 to the right 1, etc. Your homework is page 236, numbers 31 through 40. And trying to decide when I'm going to have this due.